Let me show you how to use Airbnb Guidebooks in-app as a way of increasing your Airbnb bookings. Come on. Now, to go ahead and create one, you're going to head over to your Airbnb app. You're going to tap menu. You're going to tap Guidebooks, create. In the bottom right corner, you're going to tap this plus sign. So you're going to see if there are places that are interesting around your listing and you think travelers should go and check them out. You're going to tap. Say if there is maybe a zoo closer to your home, you're going to tap zoo, then you choose it, then you add some more descriptions. For example, if it's the food that you want them to see, if it's just the sites or the views, you're going to tap maybe sites, add to guidebook. Okay, then after we're done doing that, then you can come back here. You can say, you can describe more about the neighborhood. What should the guests expect around the neighborhood? Okay, then you should as well give them some city advice. For example, if there is something they should not miss, you come tap here, you tell them probably if there is a Saturday's farmers market, you like the recommendation here, you can put it and add some more descriptions here, and then the same process you add to guidebook, and boom, you're done.